Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss some more example related to DFA. In last lecture we have discussed problems related to number system. Means we have made machine, DFA machine for the number system problem as well as for the problems which is related to the specific condition. Like if you have two variable or two input symbol like AB, so different condition you can apply on the input symbol and make DFA machine for different condition. So now we will choose another condition for making DFA machine. So now our problem statement is now this is our problem statement for this class. So what is that? Each string ending with AB. Means you will not get problem like that. You will get a problem in a specific manner like construct DFA machine whenever means when you have to input symbol A and you will make strings by using AB, and some condition they will give you means like each string ending with AB. So this can be your one condition. Means each string ending with AB, each string starting with AB, and starting two symbols should be same and last two symbols should be same. Your DFA machine start with a different symbol and ending with a different symbol. So like that any condition you will get in your question. Clear? So now we will make DFA machine for the each string ending with AB. So here you can clearly see that you have two input symbol and that is small a and small b. Then what is the tuple that we will include into DFA definition? So in the formal definition of DFA, you will include 5 tuples and that is capital Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and capital F. Where capital Q is the set of state, sigma is your set of input symbol, delta is the transition function, Q0 is your initial state and capital F is your final state. So if you are talking about sigma, so here your sigma is small a and small b. Please sigma represents the set of input symbol and in your example you can see you have two input symbol small a and small b. So we will write here sigma is a or b. So you will make strings by using these two input symbol small a and small b, and our condition is that each string ending with AB. Clear? Means your string should end with AB. Your last two digit or two symbol is AB in your string. Means before AB any number of A can come, any number of A can come in your strings, any combination of A or B can come in your string, but the last condition or specific condition is your string is ending with AB. So here our first step is that we have to find out the number of input symbols or number of input symbol in your question. So here in your question we have two input symbols, that is A or B. So in the formal definition, if we talking about the formal definition of DFA, so here sigma is small a and small b. Clear? So whenever we will make machine for this type of question, then this type of question basically depends, means starting from the smallest length string. So first we have to find out the smallest length string. So what will be your smallest length string if you will make machine by using input symbol A or B? So your smallest length string will be AB. So we will write here your smallest length string is AB because A and B you have two input symbol and the condition is that your string should end with AB. Clear? So our first step is for making DFA machine. Our first step is find out the smallest length string or making the smallest length string by using input symbol. So we have two input symbol, that is A or B. Clear? If we make smallest length string, then according to the condition our smallest length string we will get in our question is small a b. So we will write here A B. Now your three length string, this is your two length string. Clear? Now कोई और स्ट्रिंग भी हो सकता है टू लेंथ स्ट्रिंग का. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दी ओनली टू लेंथ स्ट्रिंग, सो मीन्स ए बी बी और बी ए. सो कैन यू गेट इट दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रिंग इन योर एग्जांपल? नो, यू कैन नॉट गेट इट दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रिंग इन योर एग्जांपल बिकॉज द कंडीशन इज दैट योर स्ट्रिंग शुड एंड विद ए बी एंड यू हैव अ टू लेंथ string, that is the smallest length string. So you cannot make the string A because it is not end with AB. BB. Again, it is not end with AB. Clear? strings. So it is again an infinite length language, and we have to make machine for the infinite length language. So many conditions we have to remember when we are making this machine. So this is our smallest length string, and after that if we are making machine for the 3 length string, then you can get A, AB, B, AB. Clear? Then 4 length string you can get double A, AB, double B, AB, 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 BA, AB. Clear? To the infinity. So like that you will make strings by using input symbol AB. First you will start from the smallest length string. After that you will make next string. Means if your string is 2 length string, then you will make 3 length string, then 4 length string. Like that you will make machine. Now we will start from the initial state, and Q0 is your initial state. So we will start from the state Q0. At Q0 is your initial state. First we will make machine for the smallest length string, and that is AB. So if you start from the state Q0, then you will make machine for the string AB. Then you will make transition from Q0 to Q1, and from Q1 to Q2, and Q2 will be your final state. Because if you are not making final state, that means this machine will not accept the string. So for acceptance of the string, you have to make the final state. So we will start from the initial state. Q2 will be your final state. Then and Q1 is your intermediate state. If you are making machine for the smallest length string, so in that case this will be your machine. Clear? Now if you are getting the machine for the smallest length string, after that you will make this machine in DFA. Clear? So according to the property of DFA, each and every state have a condition for every input symbol, and no multiple condition should exist. Clear? So these two property you have to remember for DFA. Whenever you will make DFA machine, these two property you have to remember. Clear? Each and every state have a condition for every input symbol. So here you can see you have a 3 state in your machine. So every state have a condition for every input symbol. So how many input symbol you have in your example? A or B. So we will make condition from the state Q0 for the input symbol B, because already we have made condition for the input symbol A. Now we will make condition for the input symbol B. So we will check the condition. We will check the possibility where we will make the condition. Clear? So if we start from the Q0 state to Q1 state, if we make condition from Q0 to Q1 state for the input symbol B, then what will happen? In that case, your machine will accept B. Then check, this string basically it is a part of your language or not. Clear? So this string basically it is not part of your language. So first we have to check the string. जो string आप transition बना रहे हो from Q0 to Q1, then Q1 to Q2. So your transition, if you are making transition for the input symbol B from Q0 state to Q1 state, after making this transition you will check, means this string basically it is a part of your language or not. So BB is not a part of your language, because your string is AB, BB, AA or BA. You cannot make according to that condition in your language. So this string basically is not part of your language, so that's why we cannot make transition for input symbol B from state Q0 to Q1. Now we will make transition from Q0 to Q2. So if you are making transition from Q0 to Q2, then what will happen? In that case, your machine will accept only a small b. Clear? If your machine will accept only a small b, then again this string also not a part of your language. Clear? So in that case you cannot make this condition also. So we have only one choice, and that is we will make transition from Q0 to Q0 for the input symbol B. Clear? You have checked from Q0 to Q1. You have also checked from Q0 to Q2. Now we will check from Q0 to Q0. If you are making transition from Q0 to Q0, then what will happen? In that case, our machine will accept B, A, B. And yes, this string is a part of your language. So we can make transition for the input symbol B from the state Q0 to Q0. Clear? Now, your Q0 state have a transition for input symbol A. If you are making transition from Q1 to Q2 for the input symbol A, then what will happen? In that case, your machine will accept A. Clear? And after making this transition, you will check this string basically it is a part of your language or not. So this string is not part of your language, so that's why we cannot make this transition. Now we will check from Q1 to Q0. Clear? If you are making transition from Q1 to Q0 in this direction, from Q1 to Q0, then what will happen? In that case, your machine will accept AB, it's okay. Then A, B means it will accept AB. If you are making transition from Q1 to Q0, in that case we are discussing what will happen. So in that case, your machine will accept AB. Then next string will be A, B. That means triple AB. Clear? Then next transition can be A, B. It's okay. A. That means 5A. B. Clear? So basically, if you see this strings, so you can easily see that basically if you are making transition from Q1 to Q0, in that case your machine will accept odd number of A's than B. Clear? But it will not accept double A. If you want to accept this string by your machine, so your machine will be failed in that case because it will not accept double AB. Clear? AB it will accept. A means 3A, but double A it will not accept. Clear? So that's why we cannot make this transition, because you have also noticed this thing and you have to remember this thing. If you are making machine for the particular language, that means your machine should accept all the string which is generated by that language should be accepted by your machine, and no string means कोई भी string ऐसे accept नहीं होनी चाहिए that is not part of your language. If your machine accept that type of language, in that case again your machine not for the particular language. You are not designing your machine for the particular language. Clear? So if you are making machine for the particular language, that means your machine should accept all the string which is generated by the language, or it will not, means it should not accept the string which is not part of the language or given language. Clear? So now we cannot make transition from Q1 to Q0. Now we will check from Q1 to Q1. If you make transition from Q1 to Q1 for the input symbol A in the form of self loop, then what will happen? In that case, your machine will accept AB. And what is the meaning of self loop? Self loop meaning means epsilon or any number of A's. So in that case, your string always ends with AB. If you start from the input symbol B, so B, A, B, your machine, your string will end with AB. B, A, then any number of A, then B. Again, your string will end with AB. So that's why we can make this transition. Clear? Now we will check for this from the state Q2. If you are making transition from the state Q2, so for the input symbol we will check the transition from Q2 to Q1. If you are making transition for the input symbol A, clear? If you are making transition from the input symbol A, in that case you will check. You can check your string again ending with AB, because AB, then A, B, any number of A, then B, any number of A, then B, then A, then B. Clear? So you can make this transition. Clear? Now check for the input string B. If you are making transition from Q2 to Q1 for the input symbol B from the state Q2 to Q1. Clear? If you are making transition like that for the input symbol B, in that case your machine can accept A, B. Clear? Your machine can be ended with VB, and again this string is not a part of your language, so that's why we cannot make this string or this transition. So you can make transition from Q2 to Q0 for the input symbol B. In that case, your machine will accept any combination of A. the string can be combination of A and B, but your string always end with AB. And this is the condition of our question. Your string should be end with AB. So we have to make the machine that accept all the string which is generated by the input symbol AB, but your string should end with AB. So this type of string your machine should accept. So now we have made machine that accept all the string which is ending with AB. Clear? So like that we will make or we will solve more example. Clear? So see this thing, check the possibility from the every state for the every input symbol. Clear? It doesn't mean like that you can make the transition in a first, means you can make right transition in a first way or in a first row. No, it's not possible, or maybe sometimes it's possible, but whenever you will solve this type of problem, at that time just focus every possibility. You have to check every possibility from every state to next state. From like in this question you have 3 states, then check the possibility between these states. If you are making transition from this state to that state, then what will happen? And why we cannot make transition from this state to this state? Like that you will solve the question, then you will be perfect in DFA, because DFA is the base, and then you have to be perfect in DFA. If you have any doubt in DFA, then you cannot solve the problem related to NFA, Epsilon, NFA, Mealy, Mori, PDA, Turing machines, because these machines we will study in next lecture and next units. But first we have to be perfect in DFA. If you have any doubt, then please solve more number of questions in DFA. You can discuss with me on my WhatsApp group. You can send me a query on my WhatsApp number, then I will discuss with you. But please solve the questions and don't see the lecture like that. Okay, this is the problem. You are string ending with AB, so we will make machine like that, because whenever you will see the lecture, at that time you feel okay, I can get it, this type of problem, I can make the machine like that. But whenever you will solve this type of question without seeing answer, without seeing any notes, at that time you will face difficulty. So for this, for this thing, just solve the question, just try, apply the logic, check the condition from every state to every state. After that you will get the answer easily. Clear? Means whenever you will solve 3 to 4 type of problems like that, after that you will get the idea. Means this is the condition, then how we will make the transition from this state to that state, and you can easily imagine this thing. But means in 1 and 2 example you cannot see like that. So means you cannot imagine the solution. You are not able to solve the question properly. Clear? So please solve more number of questions in POC, different type of problems which is related to number system, which is related to the utility. Clear? Which is related to the this type of problem, specific type of condition. Means your string ending with AB, your string starting with a different symbol or ending with a different symbol, and different type of problem like a raised to power n, b raised to power n, where n or m greater than equal to 0 or 1. So please solve this type of question, and if you face any difficulty, then please discuss with me. Okay, thank you.